Alright, so I'm working on the 3D model for the 3D printable engine mount for the OS-26 into the Tamiya TT-02. The first revision was like this on both sides, just to put the location of the holes in place and the captured nut area right here, just to make sure that lines up on the chassis properly. The engine's in the right spot now, so I'm adding reinforcements. So I got this ramp on the front and on the back here. Also, another thing I'm taking care of is I'm getting rid of these sharp inside corners right there, putting a fillet, and there's probably some other things I can do to make it stronger. I think 3D printing is going to be fine for this, not in PLA because it gets soft with heat, but maybe nylon or something. I might round the corners of the mount just so it looks more finished. I'm not sure yet. Oh, and one other thing I'm doing. How do I do this? Bottom. There we go. Adding a little bit of wall thickness, because right here there was only one perimeter around these nut capture areas, and I wanted more meat there. You see, it's a lot thinner up there. So yeah, working on this.